Zoom's AI tools to make work life easier. Zoom has discovered a wide range of its own AI-driven offerings, which are aimed at improving the experience with business-related information. The primary aspect of the new service by Zoom, known as Zoom IQ, is to assist with summarizing the Zoom meeting conversations that took place previously and an individual missed them by any chance. These summaries can be accessed through Zoom Team chat or email without the need for any type of recording. Another feature enables the AI to generate messages within Zoom, assisting to develop the tone, grammar, and overall communication skills for online business settings. Besides the initial 2 features, Zoom IQ plans to introduce further 5 additional features in the near future. These will include a generative tool for emails, chat thread summaries, and whiteboard prompts and development. The first 2 features are currently available as a free trial with Zoom IQ. The pricing details for the service are not yet disclosed by the company. Zoom IQ will be available through various Zoom One packages, comprising Enterprise Plus, Enterprise, Business Plus, Business, and Pro plans, as well as several legacy bundles including Enterprise Named Host, Enterprise Active Host, Zoom Meetings Enterprise, Zoom Meetings Business, and Zoom Meetings Pro.